This is definitely a flanker of this one. This is Coco Mademoiselle Intense, and this version was released in 2018 by Olivier Poge, who is Jacques' son, unsurprisingly. Yeah, this is the one. When the word intense gets added to a perfume, I usually get excited because it often indicates more longevity, projection, and obviously intensity. However, that's not quite what has happened with this flanker, I think anyway, at least not a lot. The DNA is the same as the original Coco Chanel Mademoiselle here, but there's more orange at the top and more sweetness in the heart with the intense version. I also think the opening is not as green and bright as the original, and it's instead sweeter, creamier, and actually sexier. I kind of like this opening. And I also prefer the dry down in here. Somehow the patchouli is not as metallic. And here are the notes. Now, while the patchouli in here is not as like harsh or weird as the original, I believe there's actually more patchouli in here, but there's like tonka and vanillin to sort of calm it down and sweeten it up. And there's also more fruit. Yes, folks, in keeping with the times, this is actually a fruit chuli, much like a lot of other stuff on the market. It's also more linear. The structure doesn't change much over time. I think it has more warmth and depth if you want your Coco Mademoiselle to work through the colder months. So yeah, if you're a Chanel fan and you like Coco Mademoiselle, I mean, there's no problem to getting both of these. This one is more zesty, more summery. The original is zestier and more conducive to warm weather. And the newer version, it's better for colder weather. Although I wouldn't say winter. I don't think it projects or is strong enough. Maybe spring, a little bit cooler. Yeah, they are different though. They're notably different. And yeah, if you're a fan, I don't think there's anything wrong with getting both.